Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a behind the scenes of the last performance. We had David from Hellbourne House and Skye Medusa on the other side of the camera this time doing makeup. So I had this image of this sort of creepy clown carnival type thing, and I wanted my character to be very sort of old school carnival. I wanted to capture a range of emotions, and David, I first met him on our Lilith and Eve shoot with all the snakes, and I just thought he would be perfect for this. So we had bare bones basics on this one. I had brought all my lights and everything to the shoot, and stupid me, I forgot my trigger. So we were using an old school softbox and a ring light. We had some fabric up on a garage door, and then we put some other fabric over the top because I wanted a bit more texture in it. We were using a couple of props, but we kept it pretty simple. We had a grungy old suit, we had this top hat, and we had this green Elizabethan collar, which I ended up having to take all the color out in Photoshop. But we were just playing around, doing some stuff. We added in some blood. Skye wanted to put in this mask. We then did this death mask look as well, so added in another skull and got it quite creepy and all the rest of it. And I was just going through capturing a few of the different facial expressions that David had. So I'm just going to share with you some of the final images that I took. So we had with the top hat and the skull, and just these beautiful sort of eerie photos. We switched out a bowler hat, and Skye spattered some blood, which gave us a very another sort of creepy mood. I then had David just grab his hands and run them through the makeup and dragged it all down his face. It was just this wonderful sort of eerie look to finish it off. And then of course I had my doctor's mask sort of steampunk thing, which I've called the Watcher Beneath the Moon. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on the channel. Bye.